Dennis, once again, I just want to congratulate you for being the recipient of Grainger's 2018 Tools for Tomorrow Scholarship Program. Grainger believes in promoting the skilled trades. It's our bread and butter. The products that we sell are related to maintenance, repair, operations. We want to keep facilities running safe and keep the people working there safe. And so this is a great honor for you to receive this to help you along with your career in the skilled trades. How has winning this scholarship helped you? What kind of impact has it had?
Well, it's had a huge impact on my family. It's allowing me to finish up school here so that I can create a better future for them.
That's wonderful. Well, we really congratulate you again on all of your efforts, and we wish you much success in your future.
Thank you.